the core of the story, and rap is the soul. When you talk about music, you generally assume maybe this is largely background music, but here it's not background music, it's not being used to just heighten emotions. It's the very core of the story and helps the narrative move forward very importantly. And we wanted to make sure that if this is a show about music, it'll be incomplete if we don't have a musical genius as a part of the show. So I'm absolutely delighted that King is making his acting debut with Loke. There's also a fantastic star cast who you'll meet just now. But there are two people who I wanted to call out in particular. This is Agrim and Debo. They are the showrunners, creators of Loke. They've stayed with the show the longest. This has taken a lot of time for us to put together, but it's really their hard work, their effort, their persistence, patience that's got us here. And of course, Vipul.
अभी मौत से लाया हूँ जान मेरी, ख्वाब से लाया हूँ शान मेरी, बदले को दे दिया नाम तेरा, अब नाम बदनाम पहचान मेरी, तेरी आंखों से जाएगा ये नाम नहीं, मेरा तेरी तरह छुपने का काम नहीं, तेरे सामने लूंगा जान तेरी। आजा खेलते हैं खेल, एक ऐसी दुश्मनी का खेल, ये जितना जिगरा मेरे पास उतने बंदे तेरे फेल, मैं देखूं खून में ढले तेरे लंडरों का ढेर, ये गीदड़ है चारों तरफ, ये फिर भी शेर न पाए घेर। You won't like it what I'm really about to do. If death is your wish, then I'm about to give it to you. I'm bulletproof.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Is that a track I want? It's called Bulletproof. Give it up once again for my homies, King and Ameera Gill. Ameera, that was amazing. I have to come straight to you first. Beautiful women first, King. I hope you're okay with that, yeah? I just want to ask you, जब दूसरे situations में पूछा जाता है तो बेचीदा सा लगता है, लेकिन आज तो बनता है. कैसा फील कर रही हैं आप?
Bulletproof. Completely, utterly bulletproof. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Thank you, King. This song is amazing. It's so powerful. And we're so grateful that we get to perform this for you live for the first time. So thank you for being here. And excited about Loke on May 8th.
I just want to say, तुम्हारी आवाज में मिट्टी की खुशबू है अमीरा. Like it was so beautiful. Can you give it up for Ameera, please?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in a bit. My man, my homie King. Woo! Oh my God. Okay, King, ये बात तो
personal
baby. This is so cool. Okay, so here's the deal. All fans love King, love his music, but today the fans of King know that this is the first time he's going to be making his debut as an actor. 1 second, can we just woo again for that? It's not easy. It's not easy. सच में बताओ, बुलेट-प्रूफ फील कर रहे हो कि गोलियां आर पार हो गई हैं?
इतनी आर पार हो गई ना, अब करने लगा हूँ बुलेट-प्रूफ फील. It's been a long journey, तो अब आदत हो गई है ना. I feel like this is life, Keep rocking.
I just want to say that the music is everything, right? And I think तुम्हारे इस शो के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि तुम्हारा promise है as one of the greatest musical artists of this country. You need to have a show that actually has great music in it. क्या वो promise deliver हो रहा है?
100%. I mean, वो तो मेरी चीज़ है तो.
हाँ जी. चलिए एक्टिंग की बातें करते हैं. ओके, How confident are you if, as a musician, you're here? Okay, let's do 1 on 10, right? Okay, 1 to 10. As a musician, yeah? 11? 11 you said, okay. 11 on 10, okay. As an actor?
That's Palak, by the way.
पलक पीछे फूली नहीं समा रही हैं. वो पलक है और उनके साथ उनकी एक दोस्त है. दोनों I would just say gang members हैं आज. So what do you think of that? Talk about acting.
सी मेरा पहला है, ठीक है. और दूसरा मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो इतना बड़ा सोच के आया नहीं था. मतलब हाँ, मेरे को मज़ा बहुत आया था ऐसा स्टोरी सुनने में ना. मतलब कि हाँ कुछ है, और मैं लिसनर फर्स्ट हूँ, तो मेरे को मज़ा आया. मैं करने उतरा, वो करते करते इतनी ज़्यादा लर्निंग बन गई. अब फिर हूँ तो मैं स्टूडेंट ही, तो मैं रेट तो नहीं कर पाऊँगा अपने आप को, क्योंकि पहला है. हाँ, मेरे लिए ये सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा, जिसने म्यूज़िक भी शायद उसी कॉम्प्लीमेंट से शुरू करा था मैंने, कि जब कोई चीज़ पहली बार करो आपको लोग बोले ऐसा लगे यार पहली बार नहीं करा. तो आई थिंक दैट्स गोना बी द बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर मी. अगर किसी भी मेरे जो मुझसे इंसान प्यार करता है, अगर मुझे वो बोलेगा तो शायद मुझे अच्छा बूस्ट मिलेगा. बाकी रेट वेट तो देखो आ जाएगा, आप लोग देखना, जैसा लगे लड़का उस हिसाब से प्यार दे देना.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. I think it's awesome. I think all of the audience here, the fans, any fans here in the house tonight? Only fans in the house tonight! This is amazing! Okay, that's what this is about. Showing up for your artists, making sure that you're there on their personal milestone journey moments. And of course, अब आगे क्या होने वाला है आज के इस शो पर? Because you've done this too many times. Actually, King's got way more experience than me. अगला क्या सुनना है? Should we switch the vibe up a little bit?
डेफिनेटली. मतलब इट्स अ म्यूजिकल जर्नी, तो म्यूजिकली काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे गाने हैं जो That's Palak.
This is my favorite part of the show.
Yeah, please introduce the next track. Like,
All right,
I'm
then
so
up
excited.
next, I think Bulletproof got us started. It's like that shot of espresso that you require to start off the evening, right? Up next, we're going to go into a musical journey, an emotional journey. This track is called Savere. This one is composed by Ruake and Rutvik. It's produced by Rutvik and written by Shlok Lal. सुनना चाहेंगे आप ये गाना? सुनना चाहेंगे? All right, guys, put your hands together and welcome on stage Ruake and Rutvik.
Make some noise!
It was so lovely to have you on stage with us.
Thank you so
Rua,
much.
Rutvik, thank you. I'll
Thank
see you guys in a
Thank you.
bit. Thanks. Give them a round of applause, guys. That song shall touch hearts.
आई थिंक फॉर मी म्यूजिक, जब अग्रिम देवो ने स्टोरी सुनाई थी, आई थिंक म्यूजिकल क्राइम सीरीज, रोमांटिक सीरीज, वॉट जैसे निखिल ने बताया, इसका जॉनर फिक्स नहीं है, बट आई थिंक म्यूजिक एड्स सो मच वैल्यू टू दिस स्टोरी कंसेप्ट एंड इट मल्टीप्लाई 10 टाइम मोर ऑल द इमोशंस. सो फॉर मी म्यूजिक. राजेश?
Yeah, I think, of course, music, but I think really when Agrin Devo came in for the first time and when we heard the story, I think the honesty in the story, right? I mean, that really caught us in the sense it was so relatable, so raw and so real, right? And on top of that, secondly, the characters were so interesting and the world which we saw was very interesting and the chemistry of the key characters, once you see the show, it's so beautiful, right? So that was like, you know, sort of cherry on the top. And I think to top that great music, and I think Nikhil did mention that it's not the background music which we're talking about, right? We're talking about the soundtrack. And I think that's the piece which is at heart of it. And I think both of this put together was, you know, the key reason which we just thought that this is going to be a very scaled up project and a very ambitious series.
And here we are.
And here we are.
And here we are. We're at a concert. This is amazing. Agrim, Devo, let me tell you, सबसे ज़्यादा तालियां, cheers आपके लिए backstage से आ रही हैं.
Very kind people, man.
And that is always the testament to men who'd like to dream. So congratulations. इस कहानी को बताते वक्त बहुत सारे elements हैं. There's street culture, there's music, and there's characters. And unki emotional journeys. So what did you really want to focus on? What was the most important one? Can you rank?
Honestly, we are very drawn to stories of young people in such complex worlds. We wanted to tell stories that feel contemporary. for what the youth is feeling right now. We needed a place that was simmering with rebellion, so we could pour so much youthful energy into this. Chandigarh fits perfectly. It sits at the intersection of all of these worlds. There is music, there is the desire for the youth to do great things with themselves. There is also crime, there's also darkness. And it melts beautifully to create this canvas for us, you know. These fine gentlemen showed faith in us. Amazon Prime, Nikhil, Stuti, Prerna, all of them showed a lot of confidence in this show. And here we are, ma'am. Hemang came and then took this and put his vision to it, and he's made a beautiful show.
I love it. I love it.
Very well said.
Next time I have a Viva, I'm sending him. He's so good. He's so beautiful. Thank you for that. I must say, a lot of love coming your way as well. And now because आपने इतने खूबसूरती से, you've already cued in our next guest on the stage, and I think it's perfect. I'd like to invite someone जिनके storytelling का अंदाज हमेशा bold और अलग रहा है. Someone who's consistently delivered audience favorites and culturally impactful hits. Please welcome director of Look Hai, Hemang Gaur.
Hemang!
Hi Hemang, would you kindly step forward? First of all, congratulations. And जैसे कि both the gentlemen on my left and right and said, here we are, here we are. So we're just a few minutes away from the trailer launch. I think this is amazing. Okay, लेकिन trailer देखने से पहले, I do want to ask you कि इस audience को, and as he rightly said, the youth is simmering. You want to promise and deliver something that they can truly identify with. Tell me, emotionally हमें किस चीज़ के लिए prepare करना चाहिए हेमांग?
I think before stepping into the world of Look Hai, audience should try to not define it. Don't define the show too early, because it's one of those shows which doesn't really fit into one box neatly. Because it's a multi-genre, comes with music, rap, crime, like Sir said. So just don't try to define it too quickly. धीरे धीरे आप खोलेगा वो शो और आपको बहुत प्यार मिलेगा उससे. The show is also at its main core about people who are trying to find their own journey. Some are vulnerable, some are trying to make it big in the rap world. But at the end of the day, I think once by the time you finish the show, आपको realize होगा कि ये magic जो हमने try किया create करने का, you will love it hopefully.
Well. Okay, so this is it. Normally, I would say let's watch the trailer, but I have you here, Hemang. I want you to do the honors. Would you
Yes.
kindly cue the trailer of Look Hai?
Something that we are here for. I'll just cue the trailer. Before, I would like to quickly thank our HODs and our crew and the cast that has tried to work very hard and put up this show for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and present you the trailer of Look Hai.
A self-made rapper, raw, unpredictable, trust slow करता है, पर जब करता है तो पूरी loyalty के साथ. अपनों के लिए shield और दुश्मनों के लिए storm. Give it up for King, aka MC Badnaam. Yeah. And up next, the one who holds this chaos together, sharp, sorted, emotionally strong, the brain behind the madness, calm on the outside, storm on the inside. Make some noise for Kritika Bharadwaj and Buddy!
Yeah, buddy!
All right, that love is real. हर रैपर के क्रू में एक ऐसा बंदा होता है जो कम बोलता है, लेकिन जब बोलता है तो पूरा का पूरा सीन चेंज कर देता है. Fiercely loyal, protector, enforcer. Please welcome Nakul Roshan Sahdev as Jazzy. Look Hai की इस दुनिया में अगर बदनाम इस कहानी का हीरो है तो OG इस कहानी का विलन. अब ये वो है जो MC बदनाम का नाम एक्चुअली बदनाम करना चाहता है. रैपर है लेकिन अपने काम से नहीं, अपने नाम से OG है. Mumbai, are you ready for the tension? Welcome Shivankit Singh Parihar as OG.
Living it fast, baby, got
All right. चलिए यहाँ पर मैं देख रही हूँ फ्रेंड्स भी हैं, एनिमीज भी हैं, लेकिन इन सबको ब्रेक अप करेंगी अ कॉप विद फायर इन हर आईज एंड पर्पस इन हर हार्ट, एक्शन ड्रिवन, इमोशनली ग्राउंडेड एंड अनस्टॉपेबल व्हेन इट कम्स टू हर मिशन. ट्रेलर से तो लग रहा है शी इज ऑलरेडी ओनिंग द स्क्रीन विथ हर फियर्स परफॉर्मेंस. Put your hands together for the incredibly powerful Rashi Khanna as Gurbani! All right, Rashi, since you're already here and you're standing hopefully closest, मैं अभी सबको हक करते हरते वो उस तरफ चली जाएंगे. हाँ, दिख रहा है मुझे. I love this, I love this. दूर चली जाओ मुझसे. But you have to come back and hug me. Yeah, babe? Congratulations. Okay, Rashi, I'm going to start with you.
Yes.
The action in the trailer is absolutely top notch, and your character looks incredibly powerful. So I want to know, who is Gurbani really? Like, what can we expect from her? गोलियां चला रही है यार, कौन है ये?
आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो मैं लुखे के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ब्रीजी रोमांस दैट यू सी, द रैप बैटल्स दैट यू सी, आई थिंक आवर कैरेक्टर्स जो एक ऐसी दुनिया में फेंके गए हैं जहाँ पे सही क्या है और गलत क्या है उसको डिफाइन करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. इट्स अ ग्रे जोन जैसे हमारी ज़िंदगी में होता है. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट मेक्स दीज कैरेक्टर्स वेरी वेरी रिलेटेबल. इन फैक्ट द फर्स्ट थिंग आई लव्ड अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट was how beautifully these characters were written. Thank you to Debo. Thank you to Agrim for being the wonderful showrunners that they are. Thank you. To Himank, our director, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है to bring out the best in us. To Amazon and our producers for backing content like this. To all my Lukhas who've done such a fantastic job, and I think it is a team effort. उनके बिना शायद गुरबानी गुरबानी नहीं होती. जहाँ तक गुरबानी की बात है तो इट इज़ अ होम कमिंग फॉर मी. मैंने बहुत सारी भाषाओं में काम किया है, लेकिन पंजाबी इज़ हु आई एम एंड पंजाबी इज़ हु आई प्ले. सो आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल रहा है रीज़न दैट आई बिकेम हर. एंड I absolutely love my character. आप देखेंगे जट्टी है और आप ये भी देखेंगे कि a Punjaban in all her power. There's so much that she hides. और आप देखेंगे कि unprocessed grief एक इंसान को क्या बना देता है. She doesn't raise her voice. She raises intensity in every scene that she's in. And that's why I love her. I loved playing her. And I hope आप लोगों को भी वो उतनी ही पसंद आए. एक नरम लड़की जो शो में बहुत गर्म हो जाती है.
All right.
I hope all you guys love it. We all have worked very hard and I'm proud of this show. Thank you.
Wow, that is beautiful. You know, I must take this to King. King, we've done many interviews in my studio. और मुझे याद है उस दौर में कभी ना कभी okay, हमने बात की थी about you becoming an actor. Okay, I remember that. I'll play that clip for you. I'll put it on the internet. Okay. लेकिन मुझे पूछना है यार, let's be real for a second and ask you कि while you were shooting in लुखे, वो एक moment आता है हर किसी की जिंदगी में जहाँ पर वो कहता है यार शायद मैं एक्टर बन रहा हूँ. So what was that like for you?
नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हर दिन जब भी मैं स्केट पे पहुंचा हूँ सेट पे, हर दिन मुझे ये चीज़ फील होती गई है. जब भी जिसके भी साथ इस सीरीज में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो मुझे लगती है कि मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ, मैं म्यूज़िक बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ, बट मेरे साथ जितने भी हैं सारे टॉप नॉच एक्टर्स हैं. तो इवेंचुअली वो नहीं होता कि बाज के साथ अगर तुम मुर्गी को छोड़ोगे तो मुर्गी को लगने लगेगा वो बाज है. सो मेरे लिए मैं आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट अगेन. हर दिन सीखा हूँ इनसे, और हर दिन जब भी वो टेक बेटर होता गया. हिमांग भाई ने बोला हाँ ये सही है, और जब भी अग्रिम भाई आके बताते थे कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना, और वो इमोट हो पाता था सही तरीके से, तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है. मेरे पास सबसे कम नॉलेज है इस चीज़ की. मेरे पास बस एक फीलिंग है कि किसी ने अगर कोई दुनिया दिखाई है मैं उसे इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ, और मैं अपनी भी दुनिया ऐसी बनाता हूँ. तो ये वाली दुनिया अग्रिम भाई और देबू भाई ने बनाई थी, एंड देन फिर वो दिखाने की कोशिश करी है हिमांग भाई ने, और हमने उसके अंदर अपने अपने किरदार निभाए हैं. तो मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीखना था. अभी I'm a better person. उस 70 दिन के स्केड्यूल से पहले मैं कुछ और था, उसके बाद मैं कुछ और हूँ. जिंदगी में कभी भी ऐसा मौका मिलेगा तो बेहतर ही बनेंगे. So yeah.
That is so beautiful. I learned so much here. हाँ, can we say that again? मुझे मेरे कानों में नहीं आया. Nice. Thank you. You too, gang. No, it takes something for an artist who is at the top of one game to turn around and say, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, you know, and I think that's really beautiful. So a round of applause, please, once again. Shivankit, okay, Kritika, Nakul, you all have mics in your hand. I want to ask you, each of you, can you describe your character in a word? OG, कैसा है?
An absolute monster, actually.
Aye.
So I would say, yeah. Okay. And the interesting part is, when you see the show, you realize why and how he became a monster. And that's an interesting journey. But yeah, on one word, if I define him, he's a monster. So.
Monster. Okay, hang on to that thought. Kritika, कौन है Paddy?
She's a baddie.
Okay.
With a nurturing heart. So it's a nice balance of both. You see a girl doing her thing, but at the same time taking everyone with her together and being a badass at that. So yeah, that's Paddy for you, a baddie.
Thank you so much. यार नकुल बताओ, है कौन ये?
मुझे एक्चुअली थोड़ा सोचने का टाइम भी मिल गया था, लेकिन कोई वर्ड दिमाग में नहीं आया. लेकिन मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा जो मैंने अग्रिम से एक बार बात करी थी, कि जयाजी ना बस जिंदा है, क्योंकि जीते तो बहुत लोग हैं यार, जिंदा एक ही आदमी रहता है, वो है जयाजी.
Wow, that's some way to put it. This is amazing. Guys, ये एनर्जी आप देख रहे हैं, आप जरा सोचिए कि ये शो बनाते वक्त कितना रियल रहा होगा. I just want to give you guys like the biggest kisses that I can from right here. Can we please request our friends from the press to take out your cameras if they're not already up, and I give you the cast of Look Hey for that photograph. Maybe you want to take those mics away?
Let's work.
Can I request one step behind? One step behind, yes. Thank you, that's perfect. Thank you.
So I realize she ain't never talking lies. She just being honest. The one I think I'm riding to see it now. Guess I tend to lose sight, disagreeing now. That's why sometimes.
And now let's get the frame even bigger. Can I invite on stage the team that brought to vision this amazing show? Director and head of Originals Prime Video India, Nikhil Madhok. Director and head of production and post International Originals Prime Video India, Stuti Ramachandra. Producers Vipul Disha and Rajesh Behel. Creators and executive producers Agrim Joshi and Debojit Das Pulkhayasta. And the director of the series, Himang Gaur. All right, let's take that happy family photo. Let's get all our beautiful cast, creators, and producers to kindly line up. We give you the world of Look Hey! Thank you so much, everybody. Can I please request the creators as well as the producers to kindly take your seats front of house, and can I please request the cast to find me backstage in just a little bit. We'll come back for photos, I promise you. Don't forget, 8th of May, Look Hey, only on Prime Video.
That's why sometimes need to be alone. Have me spill, drag me along. So connection, what do you believe in now?
And we promise to be back for solo photos in just a little bit. All right, thank you so much, Rashi, for that. And now, of course, देखो यार, आपकी भी ख्वाहिशें पूरी होंगी, है ना, खुश, थोड़ी देर में, रुक।
कुछ नहीं मेरा था तेरे बिना, तेरे आने से लगता है मैं जी ही जाऊंगी।
कुछ नहीं जो आँखों से गिरा, बस पानी सा लगता है मैं चुप हो जाऊंगी। जब से तू है आया सवेरा बन के, भरोसा तो मिला बाकी हम जी लेंगे। कब तक तू न देखे मुझे रोते हुए, चलो कोशिश तो हुई बाकी हम जी लेंगे। बाकी हम जी लेंगे, बाकी हम जी लेंगे, बाकी हम जी लेंगे।
अपनी फ्लैश लाइट्स ऑन कर लो, बहुत मजा आएगा।
माना तूने भी तो कुछ बातें मुझसे भी छुपा के रखी है, और लाजमी भी है कैसे कर पाए सारी। बहाना ढूंढे मेरी ये खामोशियां जो तुझसे बना के रखी हैं, कहीं मेरे हाथों से दुनिया ना जले जाए सारी। So why we going back? मिलाना पड़ी है, I think we should cherish that. तुझसे ही सीखा कैसे लड़ते अंधेरों से, तुझसे ही जाना कैसे रखते जमीन पे पैर। जब से तू है आया सवेरा बन के, जग रोशन ही हुआ तो हम भी जी गए। जब तक हम ना देखे तुम्हें हंसते हुए, कुछ कमी रह गई, हम कैसे जी लेंगे, हम कैसे जी लेंगे, हम कैसे जी लेंगे, हम कैसे जी लेंगे, हम कैसे जी लेंगे। छोड़ूंगा तेरा साथ ना, चाहे जग से लड़ना पड़े, मेरी जान भी क्या रूह तेरी कदर करे। जिनका नहीं कोई वो सब्र करे, दिल से मांगो तो होते हैं असर बड़े। हम ऐसे जी लेंगे, हम ऐसे जी लेंगे, हम ऐसे जी लेंगे।
Thank you so much.
Well, this is the music of a generation. That track is beautiful. Can I please request all of you to kindly stay back on the stage? And because music is the beating heart of this show, I keep saying at this point, I'd like to invite some of our greatest collaborators tonight. In association, of course, the music of Look Here has been with our exclusive music streaming collaborator, Amazon Music, and music label, Warner Music India. Thank you so much. Can I please invite Rishabh Gupta, country head, Amazon Music India, to kindly come up on stage. Can I also invite Jay Mehta, Managing Director, Warner Music Group India and SAR, and the fabulous team of musicians behind the music of Lukhe, Amira Gill, Karan Kanchan, Okato, Park, Mandeep Khala, Oaf, Savera, Agrim Joshi, Abhinav Sharma, Romy, Malhan Bala 59, Akshad Acharya, Rutvik, Sunny MR, Shlok Lal, Gurjan Singh, Nikhil Matthew, Himani Kapoor, Burra, Youngveer, and Mohan Nerkar.
That's why I sometimes need to be alone. Have me feeling like I'm well and you my knee alone.
And can I please request Rishabh and Jai? Rishabh and Jai, can I please request you to kindly step forward? Would you kindly step forward because आपके हाथ में मैं कुछ सौंप रही हूँ. Okay. King, I'd like to present you this, but Rishabh and Jai, would you please do the honors? Okay, this is so special because tonight is not just a trailer launch, it is also a music album launch. You were here while the world heard the music of Lukhe for the very first time. Come around, gather around, and let's bring the music out tonight on Amazon Music. Streaming partner, you can hear the songs tonight, and that's what I'm really, really excited about. Can I also request my friends to kindly step 2 steps back? Let's do 2 steps back. 1 step and 2 steps. Thank you. All right, that's perfect. Stay right there. That's perfect. Jai, Rishabh, King, I hope you're right there in the middle of it all. That is the moment. The music of Lukhe is now yours, India and worldwide. Warner Music India, Amazon Music coming together. Such an amazing show deserving that moment under the sun.
Let's work.
Or up, on the other side of the story, there's a boy that's caught between what's right and what's easy. प्यार भी है, guilt भी है, और एक constant लड़ाई खुद से भी और दुनिया से भी. So Mumbai, put your hands together for Lakshveer Singh Saran of Lucky from the world of Lukhe.
Let's work. Let's work.
मैं हट जाती हूँ. Alright, हाँ यार, तुम्हें जुदा नहीं करना है, साथ में खड़े रहो यार, माशा अल्लाह. Without giving too much away, okay, ये जो chemistry है, ये जो chemistry है, okay, I'm getting goosebumps. मुझे बताओ, what does it actually take to have chemistry that looks so good and so real? And the second thing, मुझे बता दो ना कोई कौन सा twist है really?
I think the center of ऐसी chemistry जैसे आपने बोला is a great script, is great direction, is great creators having faith in you. For that was king. It's having a co-star that believes in you, brings out the best in you, is music that amplifies your emotion, and yeah, I mean, so much of it is owed to Lakshveer for the Sanobar that he brought out of me. And yeah, I just know people are going to love us, but as far as twists are concerned, सिर्फ twists हैं.
सिर्फ twists हैं. Oh wow.
जी मुझे लगता है कि इस लुक्खे की दुनिया में चाहे जो कुछ भी हो जाए, लकी और सनबर
हटा दो अंधेरे सजना से प्यारा कोई ना यारा नैनों से तेरे सवेरे है मेरे
मैं हूँ तुम्हारी सारी की सारी
नैनों से तेरे सवेरे है मेरे पलके उठा के हटा दो अंधेरे सजना से प्यारा कोई ना यारा नैनों से तेरे सवेरे है मेरे फसाने थे सारे ये तो ख्वाहिश से
Oh man, that was so beautiful. Akshat, Rashi, that was absolutely gorgeous. A round of applause for our beautiful dancing crew tonight. They were so good. Thank you so much, Akshat, for being with us tonight. Rashi,
Yes.
एक ही दिल है यार, कितनी बार जीतोगी? क्या हो रहा है? I can't, 1 second. That was an absolute surprise.
Thank you. I hope it was a sweet surprise.
It was a gritty, high energy world from White Gorilla, Agrim Zoshi, and Debojit Das Purkhayasta.
अग्रिम देवो
Vipulji, Rajesh ji, I have to start with you and say कि जितना stylized है, उतना ही emotional. And I think she can do this as well. So ज़्यादा nervous थी या ज़्यादा excited?
I think मैं बहुत excited थी. It's been my dream actually. जब बचपन में हम बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी हम टीचर बनेंगे, जब हम छोटे थे कि हम मोस्टली लड़कियां बोलती हैं हम टीचर बनेंगे, मैं बोलती थी मैं सिंगर बनूंगी. तो मेरा सपना था कहीं ना कहीं कि मुझे गाना गाना है. But acting found me and I absolutely love my craft. I just want to thank my team and Amazon for letting me do this and make my dream come true.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet. I must also ask you, yaar, that this show seems to be so special for moving an actor to actually step out of their comfort zone, do something for the first time in front of an audience. ये show थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही special है ना राशि?
ये बहुत स्पेशल है एक्चुअली. जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारी ऐसी लेयर्स हैं जो आप देखेंगे हर किरदार की. And through my character especially, you understand what grief does to people when it's not dealt with. You know, it leaks through your physical self. through the roughness in your language. But I feel like all that grief is just unexpressed love. And we all go through it, and it changes us. And that is what makes my character really relatable. But मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि आपको हर character से प्यार हो जाएगा. तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगी कि आप किसकी साइड लें. I think that's the best thing about our show. Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Rashi. I think what I want you to do is try something more tonight. देखो, acting तो कर लेती हैं, गाना भी गा दिया, लेकिन अब मेरी भी नौकरी ले लो, राशि खन्ना. Just do me a favor. Why don't you tell us what's coming up next? Because there is another track that the audience and the fans especially would love to hear tonight. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Thank you so much, Rohini. वैसे आप सबके लिए अब और कुछ interesting आ रहा है. Yes, the next track from Lukhe. Some stories aren't just about the feeling of being let down. They're about how you rise from it, how you heal, and how you choose to live again. And this next track is exactly about that journey.
That's beautiful. This one's called Ji Lenge, by the way. It's composed by King and Bharkale. It's produced by Bhark and sung by King and Rua K. So Mumbai, make some noise for King and Rua K.
She ain't never talking lies, she just being honest. The one I think I'm riding to see it now. Guess I tend to lose sight, disagreeing now.
That's why sometimes need to be alone. Have me feeling like I'm willing you my knee alone. Looks kill, chest bills, drag me alone. Soul connection, what do you believe in now? Let's work, let's work. मौत से लाया हूँ जान मेरी, ख्वाबों से लाया हूँ शान मेरी, बदले को दे दिया नाम तेरा, अब नाम बदनाम पहचान मेरी। तेरी आंखों से जाएगा ये नाम नहीं, मेरा तेरी तरह छुपने का काम नहीं, तेरे सामने लूंगा जान तेरी। आजा खेलते हैं खेल, एक ऐसी दुश्मनी का खेल, ये जितना जिगरा मेरे पास उतने बंदे तेरे फैन। मैं देखूं खून में धुले तेरे लंडरों का ढेर, ये गीदड़ है चारों तरफ, ये फिर भी शेर न पारे घेर। You won't like it what I'm really about to do. If death is your wish, then I'm about to give it to you. You won't like it, I'm bulletproof. I'm bulletproof. अभी मौत से लाया हूँ जान मेरी, ख्वाबों से लाया हूँ शान मेरी, बदले को दे दिया नाम तेरा, अब नाम बदनाम